Hi, I'm Angela Andrew, Product Evangelist for Skylum Software. I'd like to show you how to add, transform, and blend a texture into a photograph. Let's get started. First, we'll start by opening a photograph and clicking on the Edit tab. Click on the local masking icon in the toolbar on the right, then click the Add button and select Texture. Next, we'll choose an overlay from the Texture Selection menu. You can browse the available options or select one of your own from your computer. I think I'd like to try this one. Once you've selected a texture, it will appear with an opacity setting of 50. I recommend increasing the opacity to 100 to make it easier to see. To precisely place your texture, click the Place Texture button and use the hand tool to move the texture overlay. To resize the overlay, grab the handles on each corner. You can also rotate your overlay by moving your mouse outside of the border and then click and drag to rotate. Once you've placed your texture, click the Place Texture button again to lock the placement. You also have the option of flipping the overlay from left to right and top to bottom. For this photo, I think the texture will look best upside down, so we'll click the button to flip it. Now we can adjust the opacity and further refine the texture's effect on our photo. We'll open up the advanced settings and explore the blend modes. As I move my mouse over the options, I get a preview of the result. I like the way overlay looks, so I'll make that selection. We can also adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation and hue of our overlay. I'll increase the brightness, a bit of contrast, and a little bit of extra saturation. Let's take a look at our before and after. Here's before we added our texture, and here's after. Textures can easily give your photo a unique look and feel, especially when you're trying to achieve something whimsical or vintage. Visit skylum.com for more educational videos. I'm Angela with Skylum Software. Thanks for watching.